everybody. Today we're gonna pop this. So it's this thing, you can get it at the dollar store. When you, I don't want you to know what it does. So, okay, let's start. But I have to pound it really, really hard. So if you've seen the last video, my mom didn't pound it hard enough, so it didn't actually explode like we wanted.
Pound it really hard.
So, okay, ready, Sam? Time for the action. Ready, set.
Really hard. Really.
I think it's working. Watch and wait for the explosion. Boom. Wait for the explosion. Come wait. Still cracking. Starting to move.
Starting to move.
On this side.
Whoa,
One more time?
Yeah.
It went hopping. It went hopping.
Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.
First, take a look at the balloon and popped out of nowhere.
Is this
I went like this. I went like this. Watch me go. I went like this. Ah! Nicole taped the balloon. Like this. Dun, dun, dun. Ah! Nicole taped the balloon.
Okay.
I went like this.
And you're like, ah!
Okay, let's go.
Okay. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Dum dum da 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 da.
Let's go to
Now, baby.